10 minus 5 gives us 5. And again here we have 10 minus 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to go from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. So if we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 10 gives us 50. So 10 minus 50 and the minus 5. Now we have to do this subtraction. 10 minus 50 gives us negative 40. So negative 40 minus 5, which equals negative 45. And this is our final answer to this problem.